Hi, this is John Walker, and I'm happy to present to you 4302 Sugarleaf Court. This is a beautiful townhome in the Larkspur area of Virginia Beach. It's 2-bedroom, 2.5 bath, eat-in kitchen. When you first come in, you're greeted by a very nice and large, luxurious foyer. And then off of the foyer, you're going to find you have a half bath as well. Now this is the half bath or powder room, and you're going to find this very convenient for you and your guests. Now off of the foyer is the eat-in kitchen immediately to your left. This is a full eat-in kitchen with a bay window in the front. Nice place for a table. You have wood cabinets, very beautifully maintained. Off of the kitchen, you have a full eat-in dining room. Yes, a full eat-in dining room that can easily seat from 4 to 8. So imagine enjoying a wonderful dinner here with the family and friends, and you can just pull in extra chairs and everyone can share the meal together. Then we walk into the family room off of the dining room and off of the foyer. This is a nice large family room, as you can see, and the family room opens to the first deck. Yes, this house has 2 decks, one on the second floor, and then we have this deck here on the first floor off of the family room. The owners have also put down ceramic tile in front of the French doors leading to the patio, and what this allows is for you to walk outside, come in, be able to remove your shoes. Now we have a little video that just takes you through the dining room, the family room, and a nice little circular video, as people say. So enjoy the video. Here's the deck off of the family room. And I might mention too, off of the deck you have a concrete patio, so you can easily do some barbecuing out here. Okay, we're ready to go upstairs and look at the master bedrooms. This is the first of the 2 master bedrooms. Yes, you heard me correct. This townhome has 2 lovely large master bedrooms. This is the larger of the 2. And off of this master bedroom, are you ready? It also has a deck. Now here's the bathroom for the first master bedroom. This bathroom has 2 rooms, which makes it very nice. One with the sink and then one with the toilet. Okay, we're ready to take a look at the second master bedroom. This is the second master bedroom. I might add, this has been lovely decorated by our designer, Christine Walker. She did all the design work throughout the townhome. So here's our second master bedroom. I might add, both master bedrooms have large walk-in closets. You'll just be surprised how large the walk-in closet is for this second master bedroom. 2 windows, plenty of light for you, and this is especially great in a townhome. Now, are you ready to look at the second master bath? Yes, remember, 2 master baths. I know it can be exhausting, so much in this beautiful townhome. This second master bath has a shower only, but notice that large counter space. Boy, people just love large counter spaces. Helps you to really get ready quick in the morning. And here's a shot of the shower. Okay, that's a wrap of our tour of 4302 Sugarleaf Court, located in the Larkspur neighborhood of Virginia Beach, and this is just a view of the neighborhood. Might add, the neighborhood has plenty of parking. They converted the center of the court, the city did, into a parking lot just for your guests and friends.